So good morning, Vice. Here is our presentation for today. Sustainable Development 17 or SDG 17 is one of the 17 goals established by the United Nations as part of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. It focuses on partnership for the goals. They emphasize the importance of collaboration and cooperation among countries, organizations, and stakeholders to achieve sustainable development. Here are the key aspects of SDG 17. Number 1 is strengthening partnership. SDG 17 aims to revitalize the global partnership for sustainable development. Recognizing the achievement of the SDG requires collective actions and collaboration across various sectors and levels. Number 2, resource mobilization. It emphasizes the need to mobilize financial resources from multiple sources, including domestic resources, international aid, foreign direct investment, and innovative financing mechanism. Number 3, technology transfer. The goal promotes the transfer of technology and knowledge, particularly to developed countries, to support sustainable development initiatives. Number 4, capacity building. It highlights the importance of building the capacity of countries, especially developing nations, to implement the SDG effectively. Number 5, data and monitoring. SDG 17 stresses the needs to reliable data and monitoring system to track progress and inform decision making. Number 6, trade and economic growth. It encourages equitable trade practice and aim to enhance the participation of developing countries in global trade. Here is the target and indicator of SDG 17. SDG 17 includes various targets and indicators that focus on different aspects of partnership, finance, technology, capacity building, and system issues. These targets aim to ensure that all countries, especially those in need, can access the resources and support necessary to achieve sustainable development. In summary, SDG 17 includes fostering global partnership and cooperating to ensure that all countries can work together to achieve the broader goals of sustainable development, addressing challenges such as poverty, inequality, and environmental sustainable. That's all. Thank you.